Hello and welcome to episode 145 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk about the LOCRIAN scale. Pretty strange sounding scale, but it's actually part of the major scale. It's actually the 7th mode of the major scale. And the funny thing about it, as strange as it sounds, you're only one note away from a major scale. So you can think about it as being just a major scale, but you're starting one note down from where you normally start. So this is the B flat major scale. If you move down one note, just start one note below, start on the A instead of the B flat, and go up 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the LOCRIAN scale. And it's very interesting. For one thing, it's a good thing to become familiar with, just to understand how modes work, and that the modes are really just part of the major scale. If you get comfortable with this, you'll start to understand how the modes relate. It's also useful in playing over something like an altered chord or a flat 9. This scale can be useful for that. But for now, I think it's most important just to become comfortable with it and understand that it's just part of the major scale. So I'll go through all 2 octaves of this scale. This is the A LOCRIAN scale. And back down again. Again, it sounds very strange, I know, but to get used to it, you can just play a B flat scale. Just play that up and down. And at the end, move down just one note, play the same scale again, and stop one note short. Then back down. Yep. Also good just as a finger exercise, get used to just playing a slightly different pattern. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.